Hey. We got Yitty in the house. After my Skims haul, coincidentally, Yitty dropped. And a bunch of Lindas were like, you gonna try Yitty? Because I think it's more suited for us. I was like, you ain't wrong. So here we are trying on some Yitty items. I forgot what I got. It's been a long... Excuse me, that was embarrassing. It's been a long week. Before we start, this is the current tum-tum. So yeah. Mama Linda's in town if you don't follow me on Instagram. I've been eating so much, I've been taking toilet breaks every other hour. So if I'm gone for a little bit, you know why. Let's go, Linda. Look at this packaging, okay. Okay, we see you, Miss LIZZO. I was mesmerized by the name, neon pink. This is the Mesh Me Smoothing High Waist Brief. I'm starting with the brief. Let's not play dumb here. You already know that when you have a stomach like mine, we don't like wearing underwear underneath our belly button. This is a rare sighting. We want underwear to go up here. Just don't want to give myself a wedgie. This is in medium. It almost looks like mesh, the fabric. Listen to this music in your ears. Delicious. There's a double layering in the hoo-ha area. Yeah, we need the extra. That's the tummy control. Quite a thick band tracing all around the Yitty logo goes. The Yitty is also in the sticky rubber feel, and I'm assuming that's to grip onto your stomach. Did you call Yitty's busy? She's at work holding your flab in. Girl? It's already gripping the thighs. Pull the tag out so I don't have cardboard up my crack. Ooh, very comfortable. I did not say she's not a forest. She's more like spring grass. Sprout. As you guys can see, the banding is definitely sitting on my stomach. Okay, the back part, I just have the biggest chocolate chunks back here. It does feel like it's rolling down. Is that just a me problem? Besides that, do you see the tummy control it has already? It's so freaking comfortable. Look how much I'm breathing in and out. If you have a big booty, it looks so good on your cheeks. My pancakes are a little bit dented at the back, right? The pan is missing the cake, so it feels a little baggy. It's so soothing to the tummy. I feel like I can stretch, I can reach, scrunched up. And can we talk about the color? It's so fun, so vibrant, like my personality. I'm not kidding. I'm just trying to be funny. This has more of a mesh cooling feel. Huge fan of that. It does feel like my curves sit more comfortably because it doesn't feel like it's digging into my sides. However, I do see some rolling. For the most part, it's looking good. And my stomach actually feels secured. Is this how it feels like to feel stable? My nipples cold. I'm gonna try to be mindful here because Mr. YouTube is watching. Trying to exist in peace. Holy fuck, it's so stretchy. Look at that, look at the back. This netting back here gives so much space if you have triple chocolate chip chunks back there. And can we just talk about the cut? Look at this amazing V-neck folding that literally plumps up the girls so fresh, like orange juice. I mean, hello. Do you see the softness it's giving? So gentle. It doesn't feel restricting. It still holds everything in place. I will say because it does feel so flexible, which is probably the whole point, you kind of do lose a little bit of structure in terms of sucking things in and making your body look more firm. I'm so obsessed with the Yitty logo that just traces around, and even like here it opens up kind of outward. If you're a thick mid-sized girl or a plus size girl, we love to pull in the sides as extra protection, which makes this tracing really flattering on the abs. You know what I mean? It's so flexible and fluid to my body. I love it. So I bought the matching brief down below, as you can see. I'm not gonna step far. My tummy is right here. This lining, yeah. I'm a little uncomfortable, so I do feel really exposed. That's definitely a me problem. It's my own comfort screaming at me. It has the same fabric in the front, and then the backing, it's also that netting material. You would think that's my ass, but it's actually just my muffin top. Shoot, cap. You see how high I can pull this up to? It looks really good from far away. It looks like I'm skinty. I was a little shy at first. To myself, Linda. I give a fuck. This sounds cliche, but Yitty having this on is making me realize my body is beaut. I've been really insecure these days because I've been gaining weight, plastering food, almost in a binging matter, but I feel pretty. Making me feel some type of way, like I'm getting a little bit emotional. I do feel in this moment that I truly accept my body for what it is. I have days where I just look at myself like, ugh, but being present in this very moment, just looking at this part of my tummy that I don't really look at because I don't like to look at it. Like, I feel sorry for myself that I felt ashamed of this. Of me. See, I keep saying this because I dissociate myself from my body. And I've been so mean to it. Me. Well, Lizzo, look at what you did, sis. Okay, so this is the Nearly Naked Shaping High-Waisted Brief. Now, here we go. We're going into her shapewear, and look how big this banding is already. This banding feels so dense, and that's where the support's gonna come from, I'm pretty sure. The elastic banding underneath with the Yitty logo, not playing. This is gonna be a gorilla grip on your tummy, okay? So it's so soft. Are you freaking kidding? This is so good. You won't understand until you have it on. Oh my god. The tummy control right here. Are you kidding me? A lot of shaping briefs are so stiff. It makes you feel like you're gushing over. Adding the value of comfort and tummy control. Are you kidding me? Actually, like fucking around or what? This is my tummy width. Watch carefully as you see magic happen before your eyes. Holy crap. And yes, just to confirm, the rubber does give you the gorilla grip. It doesn't roll. It doesn't roll. Oh, I guess I rolled a little too. Thoroughly surprised. I just feel comfy. I mean, look at this. As this does look like a piece of badass material, it does separate. The band is super thick and very opaque, as you can see. The bikini area is actually a little bit more see-through and stretchy, so you're still getting a lot of that movement. Like, it just feels good to finally have shaping briefs. Like, I just trust Yeti. Oh my god, are we dating? I had to get a Cami tank. I got medium large. This is gonna be a toughie to get into. Okay, well, it rolled around town. Like, how the heck? I can't breathe in my armpits. Pull it over the Yitty titty. We got this, we got this. Don't you worry, we got this. I'm just gonna pull it below my underwear. I think that's the point, right? Bro, this is a whole dress. It does hold the chesty busties in place, but they're not like extremely conformed into one where it looks like it's one big Yitty titty. So they still have a lot of, you know, independence. It's not gonna be shocking if you realize how stretchy and flexible these materials are. Even if you stretch it out, it's not gonna be stretched out. It really just snaps back. I feel like the cookie chunks aren't too controlled, so there's still a bit of jiggling and chunkiness left over. I think I'm just now processing that this Cami tank is more so for the belly control, because as expansion happens down here, I do feel the control and tightness even when I'm trying to jiggle my stomach like that. Like, imagine having this on. Your stomach's gonna feel so in place that when you sit down in your jeans, it's not gonna curl and bump up. It doesn't really do much on the upper area. I think it'll be perfect to tuck under jeans. I mean, bet. So this is the last piece. Moody Bitch Taupe. That's the color. Nearly Naked Shaping Thong Bodysuit. And indeed, a bodysuit. In a minute, I'm gonna need a minute. So I do feel a lot of cinching where my fat is kind of bending and folding in. I think the fabric gets heavier again down on the lower end. The buttons are pretty cold. Not much happening on the chesty bestie area. A squeeze. Lemon drop squeeze. The straps are on the wider end, which helps. We're holding up the titty yitties. We're holding up the belly jellies. We're holding the pan to the K. Not much jiggling happening. Out of everything, this probably is one of the more restrictive pieces. It doesn't fully suck you in, so don't expect like a vacuum effect. And I really like how there's no additional squishies. I have squishies already. I, as a Linda, approve of this bodysuit. And that concludes our Yitty Titty haul. I'm gonna rate this a solid 9 out of 10. In my personal opinion, I like it way better than Skims. Do with that what you may. Is that how they say it? Do with that what you will. I'm for sure ordering more of those shaping briefs. Impeccable. Let me know what other shapewear you guys want me to try next, and I shall do that for you. I hope this helped, and if Lizzo ever comes across this, which she won't. Thanks, girl, for making us realize that we're beautiful in our bodies, honestly. Again, love you. Until next time, I'm sending love. Bye.
Even if you tried, you wouldn't